Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Gagos. Thank you for being here. I'm back with another acrylic pouring video. For this one, I was really inspired by Julie Cutts. She was doing these pearlized cells, and so for this one, I tried to use the rose gold by Deco Art, and I don't know if it was my mix or what, but the cells didn't really look the way I wanted them to. So I'm not that thrilled with this painting, but I figured I'd show you my process anyway. And of course, art is subjective and beauty is in the eye of the beholder. My stepdaughter loves this painting, so I really can't go by my own perspective on it because, we tend to be so critical of our work anyway. So for this one, I am doing a sort of the cloud technique, I guess you could say, the cloud effect technique, but without the Deco white satin enamel, but instead of that, I'm using the metallic Deco Art rose gold. And I'm just going to do a straight pour. And at the end of the straight pour, I always have trouble with I kind of like to twirl it a little bit at the end or swirl it, and I don't know, my centers never look the way I want them to look. So hopefully someone can give me a tip out there on how to get that center looking cool. Anyway, enjoy the video and leave me any questions you might have or comments. I'd love to hear from you.